Yeah, it's about Jerry graphic design here. I believe we all are doing great. Once again, I salute you all my returning subscriber. If you are new here, you are welcome. If you love this type of content, please do it. Consider to subscribe. We do share tips about graphic and video editing on this channel. If you love us to drop a tutorial in a particular design, please do it to drop a comment in the comment section. We will surely attend to you. Now on this video, I will be showing us how we can do a 3D mockup using our smartphone and Photopea. Now I come to realize that a lot of people have been struggling to achieve 3D mockup on Photopea. We have been using Photog for a while now, but it's not all mockup you can feel achieve it with Photog. But on Photopea, as long as you have the PSD file, you can achieve any kind of mockup you need with Photopea. Now let's head to Chrome browser. I don't want to waste much of your time. Just head to your Chrome browser and then search let's search Photopea. Photopea. Now this is what we use, so just click here on it. Photopea. The PSD file of the mockup that we're going to use, it will be in the video description. You can use it. Then click here. That's if this is your first time that you are entering this searching Photopea on your Chrome browser. This is what it will show you. It's showing me like this because I have deleted my history, my search history. That is why. So I will just click here, then wait for it. It will load. Cool. Then having done that, the next thing that we're going to do here is to click here, click open from computer. All right, click it. I haven't done that. Then you click on the file. So you are going to import the PSD file. So click here and then head straight to your Zynica via either Google Drive, depends on where you save it. So this is where I save mine. I will just pick it from here. This is the 3D world mockup that I want to use. Then I will just click OK, then wait for it to load. All right, let's wait for it to load. It may take a little bit time, so ensure that you have a strong network, all right, so that it will be done easily for you. Okay, cool. Having done that, the next thing that we're going to do now, we're going to click here. We're going to click here. I hope you guys are following. Just click here. Then you see this place. Take note. You see here. This place. All right. So double tap this. Sorry for that. Another mistake. Cool. Double tap this. Then hide this. Hide this. So on the process of double tapping this, once you are double tapping it, don't hold on a little bit. As you are tapping, just tap it fast. All right, this is a stumble stone to a lot of people with this Photopea, because I realize that this is the major problem in Photopea. So once you are double tapping this place, ensure that you double tap it fast. Highest, if you just tap 2-3 times, it will pop up. Then you hide the mockup. Then you head straight to your file. You come here, click on the file, then you click on open and place. Click on open and place. Then you go to your file again, then you import the design that you want to use. This is the mockup that I want to use. All right, cool. Then you can increase the size as well, but note, I want you to take note of something. While increasing the size, the larger the size you increase, the longest the design will take time before the mockup, the 3D mockup will pop up. All right, so I want you to take note of that. Now, having done that, if you have increased your size, then click on the file again. Click on the file at the top. Click on it. Then we are going to make use of this. Click on save smart object. Just click on it, then wait for it. Cool, it has updated. So the next thing that we're going to do now is click here, click on this 3D world, click on it. I hope you guys are following. Once it show you smart object updated, just tap that place so that it will automatically mock up by itself. If you didn't tap it, it will look at you like this. The magic won't happen. So let's just wait a little bit. Cool, you see it has achieved. All right, so how to save. The next thing that we're going to do now is click on this file again, click on it again, then click on export save, which is this. Click on it, then save as png. All right, like I said, the file of this mockup will be in the video description, so check the description and then download it from there. You can make use of it. All right, so you see the mockup is 100% quality. All right, you can reduce the quality if you want, you can just leave it at that 100. All right, so for you to save, just click here, click on save at the that side. Cool, it has downloaded. All right, now let's head straight to, or let's just do it from here. Cool, this is the mockup that we just did. Look amazing, right? All right, so this is how this is actually how you can achieve this mockup on Photopea using your smartphone. All right, thank you guys for watching. God bless you. I hope you find this video helpful. Do give it a like, and please drop a comment on the comment section about this tutorial. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.